morning today, friends. It's good to see you and have you join us today. Let's begin our circle with calendar. Yesterday was the last day of April. Can you tell us what month comes after April? May. Let's find it. May. May. Yesterday was Thursday. What day comes after Thursday? Friday. Let's find it. Friday. And what sound do you hear at the beginning of Friday? Friday. Friday. Yesterday was the last day of April, so we need the first number for May. What is the first number? 1. Let's find it. There is our 1. But we'll put our 0 here. So we know that today is the 1st. Can you remind us of our year? 2020. Thank you, friends. Let's put that all together and say today's date. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. Thank you, friends. Now let's check our weather. All right, let's take this time to step outside or look outside our window and tell us what you see for the weather today. Is it sunny? Cloudy? Is there a little breeze? Let us know. Thank you, friends, for your help with weather today. Now we've done our calendar and we've checked our weather. Let's go to our topic for today. Today, we're going to talk about the mineral salt. Salt is a naturally occurring mineral found on Earth. There are different forms of salt: sea salt, rock salt, table salt, and even salt flakes. Table salt is one of the most common ways we use salt in our daily lives. Now, table salt can come from various sources. It can come from the sea in evaporation ponds, from brine, which is salt water, and your supermarket. Salt can also come in other colors besides white, depending on the minerals that it's mixed with. Salt can come in pink, green, blue, black, and even red. Salt was sometimes used as money in ancient Rome because salt was used to pay people in some occasions. Salt was also very valuable to the ancient civilizations found in China, Greece, and Egypt. Today, we are going to make our own salt water, and we're going to use it in an experiment. For our experiment today, we're going to need a spoon for mixing, a tablespoon for measuring, salt. I'm using Epsom salt for this experiment, 2 clear glasses, and 2 eggs. We're going to fill our glasses about 2/3 of the way with water. We're going to keep this water as our fresh water. This water will be our salt water. We're going to use this tablespoon to put 6 tablespoons of salt in this glass? Is there any difference in the water levels of our glasses since we added the salt? Now we're going to mix our salt water until the salt has completely dissolved. Now I'm going to put an egg in each glass and we're going to see what happens to the egg. What do you think might happen when we drop each of the eggs in the fresh water and the salt water? Will they sink or float? What happened to each of the eggs? Did the egg in the fresh water glass sink or float? Did the egg in our saltwater glass sink or float? Why do you think the egg in the freshwater glass sunk, while the egg in our saltwater glass floats? This is because when salt is added to water, it makes it denser. The density of the salt water helps for objects to float. Thank you, friends, for joining us today for our experiment with salt water. I hope you have a good weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye!